First, let's delete the forever code block and the onStart code block here. In this way, I right-click on this code block and give delete blocks. In this way, the onStart code block is also deleted. Now we can create the rest of this code. Here, when the button A is pressed, the LED lights up and the square needs to be created. I drag the on button A pressed code block under input here. First, it is necessary to provide the LED in the required position to start displaying the square. I drag a set position x:y: code block in the turtle category into the on button A pressed code block like this. Let's start with the lowest LED on the left. So I give 0 for x and 4 for y. Now you need to start displaying the square. For that, once again I drag the pen down code block under turtle here. Next, you need to draw the first line of the square. For this, the flashing LED needs to move up 4 steps one at a time. Let's drag a forward code block under turtle again here. Here, the number of steps is given as 4. In this way, let's create the remaining steps. Next is to turn right again and move 4 steps forward. I am going to drag a turn right code block under turtle here. To move forward again, right-click on the forward 4 steps code block that was added earlier and duplicate it like this. Now the duplicated code block is dragged below the turn right code block in this way. Now in the square, 2 lines are created. To create the next line, it is needed to turn right again and move 4 steps forward. We can duplicate the previously added turn right code block and add it here. Again, duplicate the forward 4-step code block and drag it below the turn right code block. Okay, there is one more line left. Again, it is needed to turn right and move 4 steps forward. As before, I will duplicate the turn right code block and add it here. Again, duplicate the forward 4 steps code block and drag it below the turn right code block. Now again, drag the turn right code block under turtle here and finish this square. Okay, now we have finished creating the square. You can click on the play button here and run the project. Also, if you have a microbit device, just like we taught last week, connect the device to your computer and run this project. If you have designed it in this way, you little ones are very successful. Alright, let's turn to the third part of the lesson.